mga ka-journey, let's do cooking. So, Shell journey becomes chef journey. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako, let's cook. For our ingredients, we have onion, garlic, tomato, ginger, and especially the chicken thighs. So, we need to cut it, guys, into pieces, whatever pieces you want to cut it. It is small or big. So, see to it that it will be clean and washed, guys, before cooking. So it's ready now, the chicken and wash. So our frying pan or casserole is here, ready to put a little bit oil, make it hot a little bit. We're ready to fry all the ingredients that we have. So this is it, guys. We must put the first. For me, I first do the garlic. I fry the garlic until it will become brown a little bit. So next is the ginger. Same as the garlic, need to be make it a little bit brownish. So when it turns to brown, so let's put the onions, and same with the garlic and ginger. We need to make it turn into brown. And next is the tomato that we have, and then we put, after our tomato become brown, let's mix together and put the chicken. So for yan guys, we put together the chicken, and let's add some spices like black pepper. So spread it together. I want spicy one, so I'll put more on it black pepper, and also mix it again. And also I love to put some curcuma powder, the turmeric powder. It's like a yellow ginger powder. So I put more of it. It's good for our health, guys. So, and also I use the magic syrup. It's Philippine seasoning. Because I don't have any nor cube, so I use the magic syrup as a seasoning, so it will taste yummy and delicious. Here it is, guys. Stir it again.
Let's add the chili powder.
Chili powder.
Guys, I like very spicy, so I put a lot of chili powder. You can put any measure you want, as long as you can take the taste. So yeah, let's stir until the seasoning will absorb. Mix it together, guys. Turn around, upside down. So let's wait for a minute, then cover it, simmering, and then put a little bit of water. It's like 2 to 3 glasses of water, guys, as you want to just mix together, guys, and cover it again until the chicken it will be soft and moist. And let's put the Saluyot, Mulukhiyah in Arabic. So as you can see, guys, like this, because it's frozen already. I bought fresh, but I put it in the fridge. Then put water again, guys. You know, in Arabic recipe, the Mulukhiyah, the chop it in small pieces. But me, I prefer the leaves as whole leaves. Then mix together, guys, until it will soft the Mulukhiyah. I don't know what is in English Mulukhiyah. In Philippines, it's Saluyot leaves. And please comment down below what is in English of Saluyot or Mulukhiyah in Arabic. What is English of this one?
Pang 1 week
Thank you
ko na
guys,
ulam,
and
guys.
let's taste.
Ganyan mag-isa.
It's look yummy. Taste yummy. Approved, guys. Taste again. Cover until 5 minutes. Open
Yan,
again.
natin.
Here we are.
Sinaluyotang manok. Ala ka shell. Kung sa Arabic, guys, Pilipino nila yung saluyot. For me, I prefer like that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy. Healthy, very healthy siya. Kasi, saluyot. So, ayan na yung ating sinaluyot. Chicken or mulukhiyah sa Arabic. Pero, ratio version to. Sa mga Arabic kasi Pino yung Pino kanila, ginagrind nila yung saluyot nila, yung Molokhia. But yan, ibang version, version. Ayan siya guys. Sarap, yummy, yummy. Tara, kain guys. Let's go. So guys, our chicken Mulukhiyah is already done. It's ready for serving. Bon appetit guys. So mga ka-chorny, if you like this video, just comment down below. And then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Chels Journey. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are going to be notified if I have a new coming videos. Share guys, comment.